Does your car's air conditioning hit you with a musty, moldy stench the moment you turn it on? Well, listen closely, because I'm about to expose the real reason that smell keeps coming back no matter what you do, and the $4 secret that eliminates it completely. Most people think that smell is just how old cars smell, but they're dead wrong. That smell is a living biological colony growing inside your air conditioning system right now, pumping mold spores and bacterial byproducts directly into your cabin on every single fan cycle. And it isn't just gross, it's actively stealing your cooling power. Studies show biological contamination chokes your air conditioning airflow by up to 20%. That's real cooling performance being robbed from you on every single drive. Stick around until the end, because secret number 1 could save you from a $1,200 repair bill that traces directly back to this problem going untreated for too long. Here's what'll shock you. Shops charge $150 to $200 for a service called evaporator cleaning. The actual fix costs $4, but mechanics will never tell you that, because if you knew, they'd lose every dollar of profit from it. Today, I'm exposing exactly what's living inside your air conditioning system right now, why it keeps coming back, and why the industry profits from you never finding out. Let's dive in. The industry has no financial incentive to explain this correctly, but understanding it changes every hot drive you'll ever have. Here's something that will blow your mind. Right behind your dashboard sits a component called the evaporator core. Its entire job is to pull heat out of your cabin air. But here is what the industry never tells you: that cooling process creates moisture. Condensation forms on the evaporator surface on every single drive. And when you turn the car off and park, that moisture sits in a completely dark, enclosed space with no airflow, no light, and no conditions that would slow or prevent biological growth. Your car creates a mold incubator twice a day, once on the morning drive, once on the evening drive. The industry has never felt motivated to explain this to drivers, because explaining it would reduce service revenue. Most drivers think their air conditioning system is just refrigerant and air, but they are dead wrong. That dark, damp evaporator is a 5-star resort for mold, bacteria, and fungi right now. Every time you hit the fan button, your system pushes air directly through that biological colony and delivers it straight to your face. Studies show a contaminated evaporator chokes your airflow by up to 20%. That is real cooling power being robbed from you on every drive. Here's what mechanics won't tell you. A $4 can of Lysol disinfectant sprayed into the air conditioning inlet. That grill at the base of your windshield kills every bit of mold and bacteria hiding in your system. Professional detailers charge $150 for this exact service. The antimicrobial residue keeps working for months afterward. Here's the kicker. The reason most people keep paying for this service over and over is that mechanics treat the symptom and completely ignore the source. And that source is sitting in plain sight on the outside of your car right now. But speaking of things hiding in plain sight, wait until you hear what's been suffocating your entire air conditioning system from behind your glove box. Here is something that will shock you. That $4 Lysol fix works, but if your smell keeps coming back every 2 weeks like clockwork, it is because of something sitting right at the base of your windshield that nobody ever told you to look at. Your air conditioning inlet, the plastic grill where your entire ventilation system breathes in outside air, is packed with leaves, pine needles, and organic debris right now. Most drivers have never once cleaned it during the time they have owned the car. It is not hidden. It is not complicated to access. The industry just never told you it exists as a maintenance point. Here is how it actually works. Every time it rains, that trapped leaf debris gets soaked through. Moisture-saturated organic material sits directly against your air intake. On every fan cycle, your system is inhaling that contaminated moisture straight into the evaporator. The biological colony you just killed gets restocked before your treatment has even had time to work. Here is what mechanics will not tell you. Most detailing shops treat the evaporator and completely ignore the inlet. That is why customers come back every 2 months and keep paying $150 for the same service. Here is the kicker. The inlet is outside the car in plain sight, and clearing it takes 30 seconds. But shops profit from you never knowing it exists. But speaking of things that are destroying your air conditioning that you have never heard of, wait until you hear what is cutting your AI airflow in half right now. Here's something that'll blow your mind. Your evaporator mold keeps coming back even after proper treatment, and the reason has nothing to do with the inlet or the filter. Every time you park, the condensation your AC created during the drive sits on the evaporator surface in total darkness. Mold begins regrowing within 48 hours. Not because the treatment failed, because the conditions for mold regrowth are restored the moment the car goes dark and airflow stops. Here's how it actually works. The evaporator surface only dries out if airflow continues moving across it while it is still warm enough to evaporate the condensation. The moment everything shuts off, that window closes. Here is what mechanics will not tell you. Professional fleet operators include an active drying cycle in every shutdown protocol specifically to eliminate this regrowth mechanism. A $150 recurring evaporator cleaning service exists largely because drivers park immediately after the AC shuts off. The habit that eliminates that service permanently is something the industry has zero financial incentive to explain. Here's the kicker. Fleet maintenance data shows this drying habit reduces biological regrowth by over 80% between treatments. Shops know this. It is not in any consumer-facing documentation from any manufacturer or detailing chain. And the $150 service visit it prevents explains why. But speaking of what has been choking your airflow from behind your glove box, wait until you hear secret number 1. If you haven't heard any of these air conditioning secrets before, kindly hit that like button right now. We spent days researching what mechanics know and won't tell you, and your support helps us keep exposing it. Secret number 1 is coming up. It's the part that's been silently stealing half your air conditioning airflow, and the replacement costs $20. And now the number 1 secret that even experienced mechanics are amazed most drivers don't know. Here's something that'll blow your mind. There's a filter behind your glove box right now that every single breath of air passing through your vents must travel through first. And in 70% of cars on the road today, that filter looks like it belongs on a construction site. Gray, brown, packed with months or years of dust, pollen, organic debris, and biological contamination. It's been quietly suffocating the system for so long the driver has completely normalized the weak airflow, the musty smell, and the air conditioning that barely keeps up on the hottest days. They think that's just how the car is now. They don't know the filter exists. The industry counts on exactly that. A driver who doesn't know the filter exists is a driver who pays for refrigerant checks, evaporator cleanings, and system inspections that never address the actual root cause. Most people think a dirty cabin filter just means dusty air, but they are dead wrong. A clogged cabin filter is suffocating your entire air conditioning system. Studies show it can cut your air conditioning airflow by up to 50%. Your compressor is running, your refrigerant is full, but cold air physically cannot push through that biological wall of debris fast enough to cool your cabin. And here is what makes it even worse. That filter soaked in moisture and organic matter is its own mold colony. It's producing the exact same contamination you just sprayed Lysol to eliminate and sending it straight back into your cabin on every fan cycle. Here's what mechanics won't tell you. They charge $50 to $70 to swap this filter, The part costs $15 to $25. They mark up a $20 item and charge labor for the easiest job on any modern car. 70% of vehicles on the road right now are running on a filter that's long overdue. Here is the kicker. A fresh filter combined with a clean inlet and the Lysol treatment is a completely different air conditioning experience. Colder air, no smell, stronger flow for a total cost under $25. Shops charge $200 for that same result. And they count on you never finding out how simple it actually is. Speaking of things shops profit from keeping secret, I have another video that exposes the component that has the single biggest impact on how cold your air conditioning blows. Click this video if you like saving money. Here's the truth about why your air conditioning smells and underperforms. A biological colony is living on your evaporator right now. Your air conditioning inlet is feeding it new material every time it rains. Your cabin filter is cutting your airflow in half while adding its own contamination. The industry profits from you treating each symptom separately with $150 services instead of understanding the whole picture. That profit depends entirely on you never seeing the three problems as one connected system. A contaminated evaporator, a blocked inlet that recontaminates it continuously, and a clogged filter that both restricts airflow and add their own biological source. These are not three separate service visits. They are one underlying condition with a $25 solution. The industry charges $200 or more to treat them as three separate problems. The entire business model depends on you never knowing they are connected. Now you do. The entire treatment industry for automotive air conditioning smell is built on recurring visits, not permanent solutions. Understanding that the evaporator, the inlet, and the cabin filter are one connected system with one connected solution is worth more than every service visit combined. That's the information the industry profits from withholding. Speaking of knowing where to look, I have another video that exposes the most neglected mechanical component in your entire air conditioning system. Click this video if you like saving money.